Shenseea did another singing challenge and sent a message on behalf of the Ministry of Health and Wellness of Jamaica. And Spice talked to her fans, tell them need for calm down. All these stories and more coming up right after this short clip and the intro.
People ever eat the ice? They don't eat it.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So people may have a whole heap of things to show you today, so I don't want to waste no time. So we get right into it. So it look like somebody paint a picture of Popcaan on a wall. And some other artists, and not Poppy alone. But Poppy did respond to theme, right? So me have a little clip and me go back on the ear where Poppy said when I go see the picture at the same time. So let's get right into it. Here what Popcaan said to him sister about the picture. Here goes.
You ugly oh fuck, oh.
Ayo! My blood clot. I can't believe this.
So people no hear what Poppy said to him sister, I'm gonna ask how who that and Squidda say him. Now people if you stick around me showing the rest of artists them where this person paint, right? So when you stick around, I'll show you that down in the video. But let's get into what Shenseea did. So Shenseea did a little singing challenge in Estelle's American Boy. Here is Shenseea's rendition of American Boy. Here goes.
Take me to a trip, I'd like to go somewhere. Take me to New York, I'd like to see LA. I'd really like to come kick it with you. You be my American boy, American boy. We can go somewhere to see LA. I'd really like to come kick it with you. You be my American boy, American boy.
Think about what Shenseea just did down in the comment section, right? I know it's a TikTok challenge, a fun video. I'm gonna have another video with Shenseea where she has sent a message from the Jamaica Ministry of Health. I'm gonna play that phone soon. But people, let's get into what Spice said. So Spice was on live and she's at the airport and she was trying to tell her fans about her affiliate program, right? With our Grassinor. So she has to go up on our website, grassinor.com, and go all the way to the bottom and click affiliate, and you can fill out the form and you can, you know what I mean, get commission if you sell our stuff. So there's more details about that on our page and on the website. But what happened is that she couldn't get a chance because a beer fans see her and I stop her every minute, I take picture, and you know, Spice end up hiding in one little corner, and that's when she said this. Take a listen.
I feel away. I feel away. Look here, me in one corner, I hide. Look. I stand up in the airport behind one sign. I hide in one corner. Woman said she hear my voice. Them no rest. I don't think fans realize. I mean, even though I love you so much, them no business with that. Them not give a minute. And if them see me, I may have one bad day. Trust me, them not really care. Me have to just always happy for them, right through. Cause them a find me. And them not care. All when me I eat, me not tell a lie. I come at the airport and I go into the bathroom. And by the time I feel pee-pee, it's a girl that at the bathroom door. I say, Spice, me can't get a picture. I say, when you have pee-pee, one little fat can come out, you know. Any little thing can happen when you go in the bathroom. And the girl that road coming to the bathroom, right as me for pee-pee, and I go ask me if she can get a picture out of the bathroom, girl. And you gonna wait for me outside until me come out. No, man. Fans have to do better. I'm not telling a lie. Fans have to do better. Them have to do better.
So big up Spice fans them, you know what I mean? I think she really mean nothing. She just a say, you know, situation like that more while them have to just get a second thought and just know say, yo, when she come out of the bathroom better than when she actually in the bathroom. You see me I say? So the fans them love Spice, you know what I mean? Big up Spice one more time. But people, me want to show on the TC and Rebel, them make a little video from what you see this and me a dead with laugh. So I want to show it to you. It's Mayan backseat challenge them I talk about. So big up Mayan and big up Rebel and TC. Take a look. Here goes.
Where's that going on, Mom? Come on, go back to seats at the video. Back seat at the video. Yeah, coming up. Come on, give me a little music now. Music, I say? Yeah. Driver. Boy, get up on the box seat. Want to feel the thought of the concrete. Long way to walk to let it down tree. I get my head in the arms and the time to talk, so where you plan me? Listen now, man. So I'm going to see me come up in the back seat, you know what, go down. Ladies, you don't have to get yourself ready for that big bad competition here, you know. When Maya never start, and then I say the competition starts this Saturday, and people here will go on now. 100,000 giveaway, you know. So I don't want a little bit of money there for this. Some more all of the girls want to roll out and just come be creative and go out on themselves. Because 100,000, you don't know it go. Yes, drive up, no, drive back, you know, I don't talk. Music! Put for me enemy dear. Give me anywhere, me not care. Yeah. Could I do some shelf square? Why me take it anywhere? Care back. Oh, nah.
Talk it truth, people. Them girls are talented, bad, me not lie. Them full of vibes, they make me always laugh, you see me? But people, like I said, Shenseea did another video and she was talking about the COVID-19 and wearing your mask, and she did it for the Jamaican Health and Wellness Ministry of Health, right? So may I have that phone and may I go show you real quick. So take a look. Here goes.
Hey, it's a girl Shenseea with a message to you from myself and the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Shen Yang, everyone say wear a mask where the numbers drop. I don't want COVID, lay your down flat. Nose and mouth, you fi cover up that. Oh, 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 sanitizer gets hospitalized. Fight the virus, then fight for your life, yeah. Nobody talk about say you no response no more. Don't be reckless, cause your test say you're not happy. You can still get the virus from somebody. Don't be reckless, cause your test say you're not happy. You can still get the virus. So keep the numbers down. Protect yourself and the people around. COVID in town, 6 feet apart and 6 feet in the ground. Yeah. Keep the numbers down. Protect yourself and the people around. COVID in town, 6 feet apart and 6 feet in the ground.
People, so when you hear the message where Shen Yang has sent, Shen Yang say when you wear no mask and stay 6 feet apart. But people, like I promised, I said if you make it down this far in the video, me I go show you the rest of picture them where the artist paint. And here goes. We have some picture. We have Shen Yang, we have Skilly Bang, we have Quada, we have Vibes Cartel, and we have Jada Kingdom. So me just put them on the screen meanwhile me talk, so you can see them. And people, me don't really want like laugh because I know like bring down thing. Me don't want to bring down an artist, you know what I mean? It takes a lot of effort to paint. That's obviously that's a lot of work. You see what I say? Regardless of how them look, it's a lot of work. But the color them decent. But people, me not gonna say much about them. Wanna tell me what you think about these down in the comment section. You see what I say? All right. People, the next thing I want to talk about, yesterday I made a video about the story of how Scatterburrell got Fully Bad to do a positive song, right? You don't know Fully Bad, you know what I mean, a hardcore artist, clash artist, but Scatter challenged him and said to do a song. People, the song are burn up road already. So me have a clip from Scatter and look like them dip on the gully, and here what go on. Here what people they must say. Here goes. Take a look.
Hey, one of the music song that. One of the music. Listen, man. Hear me, I say, no. Hear me, I say. Me no plan for this, you know. But you say that tune, yeah. I tell you this. You say, boy, yes, so. Me run out of clothes and me run out of words. Me can't know more eulogy, boy. Me no want no more people dead, boy. Hear me I tell you, baby. Hear me I tell you, brother. Hey, leg of the music, man.
Them will never see me back. We not smile again. We not smile again. Them will never see me back. Nothing that they are so smile go. If I show one more, then spend one night on the money, then we find out. So when I you jobless, I'm in my face, I'm working more time, I'm not gonna hide out. The shit's been designed to paint man as vigilante, so we are hide out. Stick to Babylon now.
Yeah, people, big song me I tell you now. And what me I go do, me I go put the link to the video me do yesterday so you can understand the full story and what go on with the video. Yeah. Now a lot of people on Facebook might see it already, but YouTube people it's the video before that one. Yeah. So you know what I mean. Me I go put the link said we, but if you want to find it or you remember later, whatever, you can go and find it, right? But people, that's the end of today's video. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up everybody. Wanna stay safe out there. You know what I mean? Do the right thing at all time. I'm out.
2021 Alpha Run Rides and Big D Promotions in association with the Power Circle presents Alkaline Live. You heard right, Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, 2021 at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Falkenberg Road, Tampa. Alkaline Live. Also performing Insidious and more artists to be added. Alkaline Live in concert. Make it a date, Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live. All of Florida coming out for this. Advance tickets start at $50. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite.com and all Caribbean outlets throughout Florida. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live.
After all, dog, and that's how we had
You're deaf!
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.